Hi, this is Shirai again. I'm hearing them screaming now I'm zero. They want me zero zero. They get on the public announcement at other stores saying that they want me zero zero, meaning I'm worth nothing. So that's why they're injecting me with hypodermic needles. Yesterday I stood in line at one of the grocery stores and I swear for God, it feels like someone had stuck me with a needle. Only surveillance camera can prove who was behind me and if I was stuck with the needle. In other words, they're trying to give me some type of a disease or a foreign substance in order to cause this harm. They want to martyr me. This is some type of cult. They want to martyr me, or they want to bludgeon me to death. In other words, it's a violent act. It is called morally bankrupt. They're trying to force me into a morally bankruptcy. So therefore, so they can steal my identity for the national ID. I told you, people they target don't survive. And the lady on the PA now is talking about you make us sick. You should be zero zero. I mean, this is I have evidence of this. This is a form of slander. They're liable for. And this store just opened up just 2 days ago, and I don't understand why I'm being targeted like this. Talking about somebody's working there under my ID. And they don't need it. So how did they get it? Because I never lost it. I have not lost my driver's license nor my state ID. So how did they get it? That's my question now. How did they get it? They don't need it, then how did they get it? And that they need my ID to raise money and things of this nature. So my question is, are they using some type of secrecy act? And I know they have it. I found it. One of them is 1546 in Congress, and I know that each state has their own secrecy act to steal people's identity and then allocate their identity to someone else. So this is they're basically trying to sacrifice me and then saying it's benevolent when it really isn't. It's about greed and people making money. And from one place to another, if I go, they use me, they use the surveillance, they use whatever they need to do to cause me to stay under the umbrella of this illegal surveillance or the encroachment. They don't see the constitutionality of this. So at this point, they were sitting up there saying, she's shouting, I want you zero zero. Listening to this, zero zero. They want me zero zero, rock bottom. They do this all the time in every store on the PA. What you just heard, and they're liable. They're sitting up there. I want you zero zero. You worth nothing. We don't want you worth anything. You make the high school girls sick. And I'm sitting up here. I'm 46 years old. I got a gator on my neck. I have cancer. What is that? What are you comparing me to a high school student for? This is not about high schools. It's about the older adults targeting me. It ain't. I'm not even around high school kids. I don't be around high school kids. So this is about older adults. They're trying to make it look substitute their jealousy over to the kids. I don't hang out with them. So why would they be jealous of me? This idiocy I'm dealing with every day. I can't even walk down the street. They shouting now in their cars how much they hate me. Because you won't let us use your identity. Could you imagine the stress I have to go through every single day? And this is now evidence and can be used in court. This is Shirai.